In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and TradingView. We'll go from a simple Google search all the way to setting an RSI alert on the gold versus US dollar chart in TradingView, so you can get notified when momentum changes without staring at the screen. Start by opening your browser and using Google to look up TradingView. From the results, open the official TradingView site. Once the homepage loads, locate the search bar at the top. Type gold versus US dollar, which is often listed as XAUUSD, and select the chart result so the full chart page opens. With the chart visible, open the Indicators menu at the top of the screen. This brings up TradingView's indicator library with a search field. In that field, type RSI. From the built-in section, choose Relative Strength Index. You'll see a new RSI panel appear beneath the main price chart. The RSI helps you gauge momentum by oscillating between 0 and 100. Many traders watch the 70 and 30 levels for potential overbought and oversold conditions. To clear the indicator's dialog from your view, close it by clicking the X in its corner. Now, move your cursor over the RSI panel, then right-click directly inside that panel to open the context menu. Choose Add Alert on RSI. This opens the alert creation window. Alerts in TradingView are event-based notifications. They trigger according to the condition you set and respect the time frame of the chart you're currently on. So take a quick look at your time frame in the toolbar if that matters for your strategy. In the alert window, you can leave the default condition if it matches what you want, or tailor things like how often the alert can fire and the message you'll receive. Keep in mind that free plans limit the number of active alerts. Once you're satisfied, finalize it by clicking Create. TradingView will confirm the alert, and you'll see an alert marker associated with your RSI condition. From now on, when that condition is met on the gold versus US dollar chart, you'll get the notification you chose. That's the full process. Find TradingView with Google, load the gold versus US dollar chart, add the RSI indicator, and create an alert from the RSI panel. Pause and rewind as needed, and practice it a couple of times so it becomes second nature. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.